Hey my friend, Dylan DeFazio here, and welcome to this free training. Now what I'm going to be doing in this training is sharing with you a very simple system which is going to give you the ability to make more money with MCA. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably searched into YouTube, can you still make money with MCA, or maybe you're finding this on Google or wherever. What I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is everything that you need to go through and actually make money with MCA. Now, is MCA a good business? Yes, it's a great business, but the problem with it is people that can get signups, they make money, but the people that can't get signups, they suffer. So what you get is a lot of top recruiters, promoting this, making a lot of money while their teams fail. So what we've done, we've gone ahead and set up the Wi-Fi wealth system. Now, what this system is, this is a system which is going to share with you and give you everything that you need to know in a step-by-step process to go from, never knowing what MCA is to having a complete automated sign-up, system which you can then go and promote to actually get more signups. Now, with the Wi-Fi wealth system, not only are you going to get MCA signups, but there's some alternate income streams inside of this platform as well with some CPA marketing. So you're going to be able to receive $1.50 per lead. Now, inside of this platform, if you decide to click the link below, I'm going to be giving you guys my marketing campaigns. Now, as you guys see here on my screen, we are day 2 of the Wi-Fi wealth system. I did a quick video on it yesterday, but today what I want to share with you is mainly focused on MCA. Now, if you're struggling to make money with MCA, this is your go-to. If you already have an account, you can just plug in your information. But as you guys see here, from a simple broadcast to my list, I was able to get, now if you see here, Wi-Fi partners, that is the lead. So I'm getting $1.50 for every single one of those new Wi-Fi partners, which you can see here, they convert very, very well. Now, you're also going to receive money from MCA and Aweber as well. So this system is very powerful. It combines CPA marketing, combines MCA, which has amazing benefits, and it combines Aweber, which is going to allow you to build your list for the long term in your business. Now, inside of this platform, what I've done here is, as you guys see here, these BA passive income online, BA work from home. Now, I've gone ahead and I've set up some Bing ads. Now, if you decide to click the link below, I'm going to give you my Bing ads campaign where you can start getting clicks. If we go over here, I'm just going to refresh my page and I'm going to show you my Bing ads campaign. Now, I'm getting these clicks for very, very cheap, under 40 cents. If we go right here, Wi-Fi wealth system, we have average cost per click of 20 cents. Now, we're getting 20 cents per click and we're getting paid $1.50 per lead when they sign up, which it's converting very well. As you guys see here, 297 clicks, 87 opt-ins, and 57 registrations. So the system converts very well. What I want you to do is click the link below this video, and then once you've set up your system, I want you to go over to Facebook, and I want you to find me on Facebook and send me a message. I want you to send me a message so that I can send you the Bing ads training video. Now, this is going to make you, step away from everybody else in the system. I've been doing Bing ads for a while, and it's very, very cheap, targeted, buyer traffic. So what you want to do is you want to head over to Facebook and you want to find Dylan DeFazio, type in Dylan DeFazio online, or you can search up my profile. There'll also be a link to my social media in the description below. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and yes, you can still make money with MCA. As you guys see here, I got a new sign up today, and I haven't even been in this system for 48 hours. So this system kicks ass. Click the link below, set up your account, message me on Facebook so that I can send you your free Bing ads campaign so that you can start getting traffic just like me. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.